Hey guys, hello everyone and welcome to the channel. So many of you are filling GATE 2023 form and you were facing difficulty in that. So here it is. I'm going to have a step-by-step guide on how to fill GATE 2023 form completely, starting from the registration process till the last. So here it is going to be on in the next few minutes. We'll see that what are the things you have to look forward and what are the steps you have to follow in order to fill the form. Okay. So in case if you are getting any problem in a particular step, you can ask me in the comment section below. Also, you can watch the video and most of your doubts will be cleared up over there. All right. So this is GATE 2023 website. This time GATE 2023 is going to be organized by IIT Kanpur as it is mentioned over here. And this is the page where they have basically given an introduction about it, and then here is the login button, and then all the different notifications are going to be announced on this particular page. All right. Coming down a little bit, here are all the previous year's question paper, two paper combination, then how basically you can give two paper combination and all. Then this is for the JAM website. Then these are the center of like the exam cities which are there, and disclaimer, all the things are over here, and at the bottom these are the IITs which participate for your GATE, right? So here is everything which you need to know. Before going into that, I'll quickly tell you about the eligibility criteria, because here is a lot of debate, a lot of questions were there that what is the minimum percentage requirement and all. So here I'm going to discuss everything. So once you click on this eligibility criteria, you will be taken to this page, and here it says that a candidate who is currently studying in third or higher year of any undergraduate degree program, okay, that means BSc, BTech, any undergraduate degree program, if you are studying in the third year of that or the higher year of that, that means if a particular person is in the third year or the final year of BSc, then also that person is applicable or is eligible, or if he is in the third year of BTech, then also he is eligible, okay, or has already completed any government approved degree program in engineering, technology, architecture, science, commerce, arts, is eligible to apply or to appear for the GATE 2023 exam. Okay, so that's what they have mentioned. Apart from that qualification, there are some some qualifying degrees which are there, and yeah, so let's talk about it. So first of all, if you are someone who is in masters or who has qualified MSc, okay, so master's degree in any branch of art, science, mathematics, statistics, or anything, and in that case it says that expected year of completion should be 2024. So if your masters is going to be completed in 2024, in that case you are eligible to apply. Then you have integrated ME, MTech and all, then comes BSc. So in case if your BSc is getting completed in 2023, in that case also you can apply for it. Okay, so here goes your eligibility criteria. Now talking about that, is there any percentage eligibility criteria? So although it's not mentioned over here, but many students were facing it during form filling. I'll let you know. Okay, once that page will come, I'll inform about that. So now let's quickly go to the home page back again, and let me show you that how you can basically fill the form. You have to click on this login button, and then you will be taken to this page. This is the page where actually you have to log in, you have to register everything. Form filling process is going to be taken on this page. I'll give you link of this page directly in the description of this video, so that you can directly come over here. All right. So here is login if already registered. Now I am showing you the form filling from the basics. So I am not registered yet. So let me go to this new user, register here. So let me click on this, and once I will click on this, I have to fill my name, and I have like basically that's what it is going to be. So let me quickly fill my name, and then I'll confirm. Okay, so it says that whether your name is this, I just continue over here, and then it asks about the email ID and to confirm email ID. Okay, and apart from that, you will also ask you, like they are also going to ask you about your mobile number. So let me quickly fill that, and then we will have the next part. Okay, so you have to fill your email ID, you have to confirm that, you have to fill your phone number, and then you have to basically give a password. Okay, and then the captcha code. So let us quickly do this. All right, so now my registration is successful, and it says that I am going to receive email containing email, and like on my mobile I'll also get a SMS which contains the enrollment ID. Okay, and that enrollment ID I have to fill here to log in. Basically you can also log in using your email address. So if you use your email address, you can log in that case also, and the password which you have just filled in the registration. Okay, so let me quickly do that, and let's log in and see how it looks. All right, so here I have just logged in. it says your application status over here. It says before starting the GATE 2023 application, please ensure that you have gone through GATE 2023 information brochure and have the documents / data required for filling the application process. Okay, so that's what they are telling. The brochure is over here. You have to just basically, this is the brochure. They are asking you to read it out, but you don't have to do that because I'll explain you everything in the video itself. In order to start filling the form, you have to first of all give this declaration that yes, I declare that I have read information brochure and I am ready to fill the application process or application form. Then click on this button which says that start filling GATE 2023 application form. So now here are your steps. First step is exam details. Second step is personal detail. Third is address for correspondence. Fourth is qualifying degree details. And the fifth option is to upload your data. Okay. So in the first step itself, they are going to ask that how many paper you want to appear in GATE 2023. Now you can appear for one paper or you can appear for two paper as well. But if you are appearing for two paper, you have to pay extra. Okay. So that you have to keep in mind. Let's say I am appearing for one subject itself and select the paper 1, which is your primary paper. So I am going to select chemistry over here. Remember that chemistry has a code CY. There is one more which is chemical engineering, which has code CH. Many students do this mistake and they select CH. You don't have to select CH, select CY, chemistry CY. Okay, that is your subject. Now it says that choice of examination country. Okay, let me just quickly show you that what happens if you select two subjects. Okay, so you'll get again one more option that you can select paper 2. Now in paper 2 you only have two options. One is engineering science and one is life science. So along with chemistry you can give either life sciences exam or you can give engineering sciences. You cannot give any other combination. Okay, so this thing you should know. I'll keep it back to 1. Now I have to choose the examination center, like which country first of all I have to choose. So these are the countries in which GATE is going to be conducted. I am going to select India, Bangladesh, Bhutan, Malaysia, Maldives, Mauritius, Nepal, Singapore and UAE are the other countries in which this exam is going to be conducted. So let's select India, and now I have to select 3 examination centers. Okay, 3 cities in which I can give exam. So let me quickly do that. Alright, so let's say I have done with all my selections, so I have to save here, right? Once it says that yes, your data is saved, you have entered and it's successful, then you can go to next. Next, you will have to fill your personal details. In the personal detail, few things are already filled, like your enrollment ID, your name, your email address, your phone number is already filled. You have to fill your date of birth, gender, nationality, category, whether you are a person with a benchmark disability, whether you suffer with dyslexia. Then so many other options are there. Your photo ID is there, photo ID number is there. So all these things you have to fill. Okay, so let me quickly show you, like let me quickly fill and tell you what are the things which you have to take care. So once you are done with uploading your personal details, make very careful, like be very careful over here, because you have to upload a valid photo ID. Photo ID can be PAN card, Aadhaar card, voter ID card. All the photo IDs are accepted over here. You have to fill the correct number of that. And at the end of this at the end of this form you have to upload that also. So make sure that you have that ID with you. Okay, and it should not have any error and all in this. Okay, your name and other like name, father's name, date of birth, all these 3 things should be correct in that. Okay, so I'll just press next for the next part. So here is the address for correspondence. Now here you have to fill your address of correspondence as it is. Okay, it's pretty simple. You have to just fill your address, that's it. Okay, so once this is done, I'll take to the next, which is qualifying degree detail. Now in qualifying degree detail, you have to select the college pin code from where you have done your qualifying degree. Now qualifying degree can be like, it depends on what you are doing right now. If you have qualified masters, if you have finished your masters already, then the qualifying degree is MSc or masters. If you are in the final year of a BSc, then your qualifying degree will be BSc. So whatever institute you have done the last or the final or qualifying degree, that institute name you have to fill. All right, and then basically you have to fill the like the name, the country in which your institute is, the state in which it is, the city in which it is, the roll number or registration number, whatever you have. Now it is institute registration number, you don't have to worry about it. Okay, you just have to fill your roll number. Yeah, so it says that please ensure that you fill registration number slash roll number as per your institute college ID. Okay, so whatever college ID you were having, or whatever your mark sheet was there, roll number, whatever was there, you have to fill that roll number. You don't have to fill the enrollment ID of GATE 2023. That's what they are telling. Then qualifying degree, you have to select what is your qualifying degree. Again, I told you, if you have qualified masters, then it will be MSc or masters. Integrated MSc option is also there, so it depends on whatever your qualifying degree is. Then they will ask in which discipline you have done that, in which subject you have done that. So many options are there. Select your subject, because most of you must be from chemistry, so choose chemistry. Okay, then the year in which you have qualified that degree, have you graduated that degree, yes or no. Okay, if you are pursuing that, then select no. That means if you are still in your masters, you have to select no. If you have passed your masters, if you have if you have completed your masters, in that case you have to select yes. Okay, then the name of that university and the college name. Now the thing is that almost all the universities and institute name is already there in it, but it might happen that your institute or your college name is not there in the list, so you don't have to worry about it. You can simply fill it. Okay, so you can simply put the name of it, you can just write the name of it, that's all. Okay, and just save this page and go to the next page. The next page is nothing but the next page is to upload the document. Now here they are going to ask you to upload a color photograph of yours, then upload a signature of yours, and then they will ask you to upload a photo ID. Now photo ID is what as I told you, that it will be the same which you have filled in the personal detail page. Okay, so if you have filled voter ID card, you have to upload voter ID. If you have selected Aadhaar card over there, you have to upload Aadhaar card photograph. If you have selected PAN card, then you have to upload PAN card. Whatever voter ID or whatever photo ID you have selected, you have to upload that. All right, so I'll quickly upload my signature and photo ID, and let me show you what happens in the next step. Okay, so once you are done with uploading all the documents, what you have to do is you have to choose that from where you got the information about GATE. Okay, so I'm just doing internet search, and now I will save and view application. So once I will do that, I'll get all the details whatever I filled till now, like exam details, my personal details, then my communication details, then my qualifying degree details, then my documents. Everything is over here. All right, so every document, everything whatever I uploaded is here. Right now what I have to do is I have to just go back now, and now I have to finish the form. And in order to finish the form, I have to come over here, review and submit. Now before doing that, let me tell you, there were few questions from the students that what is the eligibility criteria based on percentage. So as per the examination till now, like as per the form filling till now, there is no qualification as per the percentage, because they have not asked anywhere what percentage marks you have got and all. Okay, so there is no eligibility criteria to give GATE exam as per the percentage criteria, so that is nowhere. But when you go for admission after GATE, like once you qualify the GATE exam and once you go for admission or for job, then there will be like different eligibility criteria depending upon the institute. IITs have minimum 60% or 55% in MSc, then ISERs also have that 65% to 70% or 60% in MSc, depending upon different ISER, depending upon different IIT. Same goes for PSUs. Different PSUs have different eligibility criteria. So you can give the exam even if you have 40% or 45% or 50% exam, but later on, like after qualifying GATE exam, it depends on the institute that how they are taking admission in, right? So this thing should be clear to you, that there is no restriction for giving GATE exam as per your percentage in your masters or in the qualifying degree. So I'll review and submit over here. So here it says that declaration, that you confirm that you have fulfilled everything correctly and all. So you just click over here, and then you have to e-signature. E-signature means you just have to fill your name. Okay, so I'll just quickly fill my name. So just click on verify application form, and then this form will be downloaded. Okay, you'll be able to download the complete application form. This is how it is going to look like. Every detail is going to be over here. And now like whatever sign, whatever like whatever you have filled, everything is here. Okay, so yeah, this is what it is. This is provisional application subject to payment. Once you make the payment, then only this is going to get completed, right? So I will go back to my page. Here again I can, so I have verified and verified application form. Now I can submit and proceed. Okay, so once I will click that, now I can fill. So application fees amount is 1700 for me. Okay, so depending upon the category, the application fees is different. Let me quickly show you in the information brochure. It will be mentioned that how much amount a particular category has to pay. So here is the information brochure, and here is the fee detail for Indian nationals. So for female candidate it's 850 rupees. For SC, ST, PWD category candidates also it's 850 rupees. For all the other candidates it's 1700 rupees. Okay, so you have to pay 1700 rupees in order to give this exam. Alright, so this is about it. What you have to do now is you have to make the payment, and then everything is basically going to go on the payment gateway. Now here is the QR code. I can pay using the QR code as well, and I'll complete my payment and then I will tell you that what happens in the next step. Once your payment will be done, it will show that payment is received successfully, and then you will be taken to the application status page. Now here it says that your uploaded documents are under verification. The scrutiny process will continue even after the application portal is closed. So you have to wait for some time. You have to keep visiting the website. You have to keep login after a few days to check that whether your documents are verified or not. Then it says only those candidates whose application need to be rectified in photo, signature, supporting documents will be contacted by email and SMS. In case if you don't get any email or SMS, in that case your application form will be fine. Please visit GATE website for regular update. Please visit payment query page for issue related to payment. So in case if you get any issue related to payment, here is the page where you can go and you can tell the issue related to it. Okay, your enrollment ID, your name, and your payment status will be here. So if your payment is done successfully, it will say that payment has been received successfully. Now there are two verifications which are over here. You can see email verification and mobile verification. It is very recommended that you should basically do both of them. So do email verification and mobile verification both. So I'll do that quickly. So what you have to do, you have to click on this email verification once. They will ask that they have sent an OTP to your email address, the email address which you have filled, and you have to basically you have to give that email OTP over here. So once I do that, it says email is verified. Now I have to do mobile verification as well. Okay, these two things are very important, because if you will not do these verification at the later stage, they will ask you to verify it. So it's better to do it. Okay, so again they will send a OTP to your mobile number, and you have to fill that OTP in order to verify. Okay, now mobile number is also verified, and now you are done with it. Okay, you don't have to do anything else now. Your application process is now done. You are good to go. Now you just have to wait for your documents to get scrutinized, and you have to wait for the confirmation from them that yes, everything is fine now. Okay, so this is how you have to fill the GATE exam or GATE 2023 form. It's very straightforward, very simple form. All right, so that's it from my side for this particular video. If you have any question regarding anything else, you can ask me in the comment section below. I'll be there to help you out. That's all from my side. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Till then, have a great day. Bye bye. Hey guys, so I teach live on Unacademy Plus platform. Here I teach for the CSIR UGC NET category, and you can follow me over here for regular classes. You can access my free classes as well as my paid classes on this particular platform. The classes which are free, you can get that under the section of special classes, whereas in order to access my paid classes, paid live classes, you have to take Unacademy Plus subscription. So do make sure that you take the Unacademy Plus subscription to access all my paid classes, which are quite organized. The whole syllabus is being completed over there, and the classes are quite regular over there. So make sure that you take Unacademy Plus subscription by using my referral code, that is N_Huda. That's it for this. Thank you so much.